Université de Mascareignes doctoral school instructions for MPhil and PhD courses. These are the research areas. So you need to find one of these research areas and see if it aligns with your course of interest or your professional interest. These are the requirements for MPhil. You need to have at least an upper second class honors degree in a related field. And then for MPhil or PhD, you need an upper second class in a related field. It's the same as the one above. Then for PhD, you should have an MPhil or a master's, or a master's degree in a related field. And these are the duration. FT means full-time, PT means part-time. In your case, as an international student who is applying for the mass scholarship, you should apply for full-time studies, okay? This is how you apply. First, you need to fill out an application form. You will find the application form in their website. I've put the link to the official website in the video description. Visit that link and download the application form. You need your letter of motivation. You need a research proposal. If you need assistance with writing your research proposal, I'll be happy to assist you. Please book through the link in the video description as well. And then you need details of your supervisor. You need copies of your educational certificate and a copy of your passport. There is an application fee. It's equivalent to 700 rupees. So it is equivalent to $25, excluding bank charges. That means bank charges will be borne by you, but this is the application fee. These are tuition fees. Since you'll be applying for the scholarship, I don't think you should worry about tuition fees. So basically, this is the information for applying to this university. Like I said, go to the official website, find the application form, prepare these documents, and then send through your application. All the best. And remember to join our community for masters and PhD applicants. The link is there in the video description.